Hey everyone, this is Julia from Crocoblock, and in this short video tutorial, I'll show you how to redirect to the pre-filtered results via the select fields using the JetSmartFilters and the JetFormBuilder plugins. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you are subscribed and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, if you want us to make more useful tutorials for you, like this video and leave your comments down below. And now, let's get to this. For this tutorial, you will need either the JetFormBuilder plugin or the JetSmartFilters one, as I will demonstrate two options for setting up the navigation through the categories of WooCommerce products using the drop-down list of categories and a button to go to the desired category. And the first case will be done using the JetFormBuilder plugin. Proceed to the dashboard, JetFormBuilder, and add a new form. Give it a name. For example, form with select filter. Delete the default text field and add a select field block. Firstly, proceed to the block settings and enter the form field name. I suggest you change it into, let's say, categories _ field, as we will be using it a bit later. Now we need to specify the source of the options that will be available for the users. For that, in Field Options From, choose Terms, and then specify the taxonomy. Since I'm using the shop template in this video, I will choose Product Categories. However, the same logic applies to any taxonomy. The next step. By default, the category ID will be used as a value for the select field, but in our case, we need to build a correct URL. Simply enter slug to the values from meta field. It's pretty much it. However, to make the form work, we need to set up the post-submit actions. Go to the JetForm tab and unfold Post-Submit Actions. Select Redirect to Page from the list and click on this pencil-shaped icon. In the Edit Action window, firstly set Redirect to Custom URL, and then enter the URL to the following field. So the URL will consist of two parts, a static part, domain name, and a general slug for your taxonomy. However, we also need to add a dynamic part, the field value for the selected category. Simply add the following path using the exact name of the select field block form field name. So at the very beginning, I change it into the categories _ field, and this is exactly what I'm gonna add to the URL. That's it. Publish the form. You're free to add this form to any page on your website, even for example to the menu using the mega content. Simply add a JetForm widget, select the needed form, and let's check the front end. Here is my form. I will select, let's say, accessories, and hit submit. As you can see, I was redirected to the shop page with the pre-filtered results, and now I can see only accessories. If we look at the URL, we can see that its dynamic part changed according to the selected category. There is also one more option to get the same result using the JetSmartFilters plugin. It will be more suitable if you have a separate page containing the product listing with the configured category filter. In this case, you can set up a redirect to this page with the pre-selected category in the filter. Proceed to the dashboard, Smart Filters, and add a select filter for the needed taxonomy, for example, product categories. The most important thing here is that on the page from which the user will be redirected, you have to have a filter with the same settings as on the page to which it will redirect. In my case, the user will pick the needed category from the select field in the menu and will be redirected to the shop page. So on the shop page, I have this category filter that is set to the product categories taxonomy. To make everything work properly, open a page where you want to add the select field. Add the select filter widget and the apply button widget. Now for the first widget in the content, select the filter you've previously created. It is also set to the product categories taxonomy in my case. And then select the same provider. And make sure to set the same apply type, for example, mixed. And in the apply on, choose click on apply button. Now proceed to the button. Set the same provider. Apply type page reload. Change the apply button text if needed. And lastly, enable apply redirect. It also requires the redirect path. I will use not the whole URL but only the shop part, as the redirect will be performed within one website. That's it. Don't forget to update everything. And here is the same menu, but now with the select filter widget. I will choose women's collections and hit the button. Here you go. The redirect works perfectly. I'm on the shop page now with the pre-filtered results. The tag shows that only women's clothes are visible now, and there is also a checked box for the selected category right here. Now you know 2 ways how to redirect to the pre-filtered results via the select fields. Like this video if it was useful for you, leave your comments, and of course, make sure you are subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.